guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a makeup haul. I posted a poll on my Instagram asking if you guys wanted to see makeup or workout clothing, and it kept fluctuating between each one, so I decided I'm just going to do both. So first, this is the makeup haul. I am using natural lighting at the moment, so hopefully the lighting isn't too bad. But first, I'm going to start off with my BOXYCHARM'S stuff. I decided that for this month's BOXYCHARM, I would just include it in this haul just because the products that I got in this box I feel weren't really a good fit for a try on. I'm going to show you guys what products I got, and I did try most of them today, so I'll show you what I did with them. But this month's theme was Galaxy Glow, and the first thing that I got were these crown brushes. It's a set of 3. These retail for $29.99. The smallest brush is meant for concealing imperfections underneath the eyes. The medium-sized brush is for sculpting at the cheekbones, and then the large brush is for powder. So this is what they look like. This is the biggest brush right here, and they are really soft. This one I feel is too small to be a powder brush. I would probably use this more for contour. Same with the little one. It's super tiny. I feel like I'd actually use this for eyeshadow instead of concealer underneath the eyes. The middle one I feel like I would use more for highlighting or something. The next product I got is this is the Pure Expo Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator. And this retails for $17, and it's meant for exfoliating, plumping, hydrating, and soothing your lips. So I did try this out today before I put on any lip products. There are like tiny little beads, kind of like sugar in it. So what I did was I put it on my lips, and then I kind of just pressed it onto my lips and spread it around, and it was a nice exfoliator. Not really as good as my Lush one, I would say, but I feel like this is better for like every day, whereas my Lush one I like to use a couple times a week. My favorite product that I got in this box is the Cover FX Shimmer Veil. This one is in the shade Amethyst, and it's a really pretty pinky lilac color, and this is supposed to be meant for either using on the eyes as a liquid eyeshadow or as a highlighter on the face. But this is what it looks like right here. It's really pretty. I used this today on my inner corners. I really like it. It's a gorgeous color. It might not be everybody's cup of tea just because it is a very vibrant color and really not good for every day. As for me, when buying these types of products, I do like to go for more vibrant colors, or colors I wouldn't typically wear every day, just because I do already have like a ton of neutrals, neutral eyeshadows, glitters, all that stuff. So I like to mix it up and add a little bit of color to my collection. So this is probably my favorite. I will say that it is very similar to the Stila glitter eyeshadows, but I feel like this one dries a little faster, so you have to work faster with it. The next product I got is the Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Pencil. It retails for $21. Not a fan of this. I feel like, first of all, it's a brand that I never really heard of, and it's pretty expensive for a basic eyeliner. It's a kohl pencil, and it is very creamy, but I wouldn't say it's the blackest eyeliner that I own. I'm kind of disappointed in this. I did use it on my tight line and waterline, and it just wasn't as black. The last product that I got was this Ofra empty Z palette type thing, and it came with a little blush pan, and this is in the shade Blush Winter Rose, and it's a pretty mauve color. I forgot to use it today, but it does seem very pigmented. There's a little bit of shimmer. I feel like this is a blush that I would typically use every day. It's really pretty. So overall, this box for the month of February was pretty disappointing. I liked last month's box way better. My favorite products this month in this box was the Ofra blush. Not really a fan of the Z palette. I mean, it's really helpful if you are someone who buys a lot of single pan eyeshadows or blushes, stuff like that, but I for one am not one of those people. I already have a couple of empty Z palettes that aren't even like halfway full, so this is just another thing to add to my collection. And then of course the Cover FX Shimmer Veil was also my favorite. The blush itself retails for $12 and the Shimmer Veil is $28. So just those two products alone, I'm already making my money's worth of this month's box. So I guess it's fine, it's whatever. Moving on to the rest of the makeup, I shopped at Ulta, and this is just a collection of stuff I've gotten over the last couple of months. But before I dig into my Ulta haul, I wanted to show you some stuff that I got from Marshall's, because if you guys didn't know, Marshall's and TJ Maxx stores are selling some high-end makeup for very, very cheap, and it's pretty exciting. I feel like the makeup that they're selling are makeup products that brands are trying to get rid of and discontinue, stuff like that. So if you have a Marshalls or TJ Maxx close to you, I definitely recommend checking it out, see if you can find anything good. First, from Marshalls, I got 3 Anastasia products here. The first thing I got is this Anastasia liquid lipstick set. Comes with 3 mini liquid lipsticks, and this was $14.99 compared to $25. I feel like this is probably one of their holiday sets or something, but I really loved all the colors in here. I would definitely wear all 3 of them. These are them, and they're super cute. Here's the hand comparison. I don't have any of these colors, so that's good. I've never heard of these colors actually, so I'm wondering if they're limited edition or something. Alright, so the first color is in Dazed. Looks like this. So that is the shade Days. It's kind of like a berry color. Really pretty. And then the next one is in Bittersweet, which is kind of more of a muted brown. Kind of like on the gray side, I would say. There's that right there. And then the last shade that I have is in Hudson, which is more on the nude side. Ooh, this is really pretty. This one is definitely an everyday color. And then I have a full size of the Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Soft Lilac, and I got this for $6.99. And I think typically their liquid lipsticks are $20. It's a shade very pretty for summer and springtime. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Just like that. So it's definitely not as bright as I thought it would be, which is awesome. And lastly, I got this single pan eyeshadow from Anastasia in the shade Intense Glaze. I think their shadow pans usually retail for about $10. Very pretty, like rusty pink color. Watch right over here. Sorry, my hands are really shaky, but that's really pretty. There's a nice glow to it. As you guys know, Ulta is starting to carry Morphe products, so I picked up 2 things. I got this Morphe Highlight and Contour Beauty Sponge. Looks like this. I've heard really good things about it, especially from Jaclyn Hill. They have another sponge that's supposed to be meant for foundation, but I'm still going to use this for foundation. I'm sure it'll work just as well. So I'm really excited to try that out. I just picked up one of their brushes. It's kind of boring. It's just the Morphe M510. I already have their M501, which is also a highlighting brush, but I don't know, I just feel like you can never have enough highlighting brushes. So this is what that looks like, just your basic highlighting brush. So I picked up this new foundation from Bare Minerals. This is their BarePro Performance Wear Liquid Foundation. I got the shade Warm Natural 12. Hopefully this is my shade. But I heard a lot of good things about this one as well. I think I like Whaley talked about it, but this is what it looks like. It comes in a glass bottle, and I believe it does come with a pump, which is really cool. I might do like a first impressions video or something and try out this foundation. So if you want to see that, then just let me know. Next up, I got this Mario Badescu facial spray. This is their new one, and it is with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. First of all, I love the color. Lilac is like one of my favorite colors ever. And I already have the rose one and the green tea one, which I absolutely love. So this one. Smells so good. I'm not like a huge fan of the scent of lavender, but I do really like it when I go to sleep and when I just want to relax and calm myself down, stuff like that. That's pretty much like what it meant for, but I really like this. My cousin told me that she actually sprays it on her face before she goes to bed, which I think I'm going to try doing as well, especially on nights where I feel like I just can't sleep. Last night was a really bad night for me, so I should have used this, but I'll let you guys know how I feel about it. So this is new. I thought it was really interesting. This is the Becca Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer. I really love the Becca under eye products that they have, especially the brightening correcting concealer. It's my absolute favorite. So this one is supposed to be kind of like a primer for that, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's a really pretty Tiffany blue color, and I'm not quite sure how this is supposed to work, but the packaging is really cool. It's kind of like in this clear acrylic, and then you open it up and that's what it looks like. It's supposed to give like your under eyes a cooling sensation. Kind of feels like a gel, but ooh, it's like really smooth on my hands. I wish you guys could feel this. I picked up one of the Stila Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadows. I tried the glitter ones before and I really loved them, so I wanted to try out some of their shimmer ones, and I picked out a color that's not very neutral. This is in the shade Cloud, and it's a very gorgeous lilac color. Can't really see it in the bottle, but do a little swatchy swatch. Kind of has like a taupe undertone, but you can definitely see the purple in it as well. I did use this already a couple of days ago. I did post a picture on my Snapchat using this as my lid shade, so I'll post a picture somewhere here if you guys want to see. But I am really loving the shimmer ones so far. I think the shimmer ones are better for everyday looks because the glitter can be a little too glam for, you know, going to work or something. Now I picked up this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. This is their new liquid lipstick that they came out with, and I got the one in Amazonian, which is kind of like a brown and nude color. I've heard so many good things about this. Like, I haven't heard one negative review yet, but I'm super excited for this. You guys don't even know. I want to pick up more colors. This one is really pretty. Kind of looks like the one I'm wearing right now. But that's what it looks like. And then lastly, I picked up one of the Tarte Chrome Paint Shadow Pots. I've heard iffy reviews about this, but I just wanted to try it out for myself. There were a couple colors that I wanted to get, but they were sold out online, so I ended up getting their Park Avenue Princess. So this is what it looks like. Pretty packaging, very typical for Tarte. Oh no. So I've seen a lot of hauls and people have been getting like crumbled eyeshadows, which I don't know if it's normal or not because they're supposed to be like pressed pigments. So this is what mine looks like. I'm gonna try and like press it down real quick. Let me do a quick swatch here. It feels very soft but grainy because mine's crumbled. Whoa. Whoa, it's crazy. That's so pretty. Oh my god. It's like a bronzy gold. Wow, that's super pretty. Yeah, I've been really into single shadows that are super intense like this because on days where I'm too lazy to do a full eyeshadow look, I like to sweep it just on my lid and then call it good. I'll probably test this out, and if I do end up liking it, then I probably will get some more because that's super intense. Okay, guys, so that concludes my haul. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for my workout clothing haul if you want to see that as well. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like my hauls. I'll be sure to do more of them. And also don't forget to subscribe, push that notification bell if you want to be notified of when I post a video. And that is pretty much that. Hope you guys have a great day or night, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.